ARCHLine.XP unifies architecture, interior, and engineering design in one BIM platform, supporting projects from concept to construction documentation with advanced, flexible tools. ARCHLine.XP provides a powerful BIM workflow for residential design. Here, a group of houses is modeled with precision, showing how the software supports neighborhood-scale planning and visualization. 15-story residential building with environment. The program handles large and complex buildings with ease. This 15-story residential tower is presented together with its urban environment, demonstrating integrated site context and environmental modeling. This image was created directly in ARCHLine.XP using the integrated rendering engine. It is easy to set up, lighting, materials, viewpoints, while providing fast, presentation-ready results. Ideal for everyday client meetings and approvals. Public building. School. ARCHLine.XP also excels in public architecture. This school building showcases how the software supports complex institutional designs with clear floor plans, circulation routes, and compliance with building standards. Industrial light structure hall. Industrial projects are equally supported. The design of this light structure hall illustrates ARCHLine.XP's ability to model steel structures and optimize industrial layouts. A residential building, architectural, and MEP plan simultaneously. In this scene, architectural and MEP plans are displayed together. ARCHLine.XP enables collaboration across disciplines, ensuring consistency and reducing conflicts between building systems. View templates help increase the accuracy and reliability of building mechanical and electrical MEP designs in a BIM model. They allow you to modify the appearance of 3D views between architectural and MEP disciplines. Option 1. The MEP-only view displays only MEP elements. Option 2. The MEP primary view clearly shows the building in the background and the MEP elements in the foreground. Option 3. The architecture primary view does the exact opposite, showing the building elements in the foreground and the MEP elements in the background. Interior design plan. Interior design is seamlessly integrated within the same BIM environment. From furniture layouts to material selections, ARCHLine.XP empowers designers to deliver complete interior solutions. Revit Model Import and Development. ARCHLine.XP supports interoperability with Revit. Models can be imported directly from RVT format and further developed, as shown here by modifying a wall and a window of the imported model. This workflow allows you to import 3D model elements from Revit RVT files. ARCHLine.XP converts major architectural types as native elements. The resulting elements use accurate geometries and BIM properties, including wall layers and materials from Autodesk material libraries. Doors and windows can be modified, moved on the wall, and the wall connection is rebuilt correctly. Built-in Google Maps, Dubai City Topography. The software features direct connection with Google Maps. A topographic model of Dubai City is imported, serving as the foundation for accurate site planning and visualization. You can specify the geographic location using the address, nearest major city, or latitude and longitude. Using Google Maps, you can locate your project exactly on the planet using GPS coordinates. The project location is represented by a placemark on the Google Maps. Using the terrain tools, you can create a terrain model from any location on the planet, with precise location data and/or accurately mapped satellite imagery on the topographic model. The mass modeling study helps the architect to study the concept of the building model in terms of masses or general shapes. In the first step, you create the desired shape using profile definitions. In the building volume dialog box, you can define in detail the rules for the surfaces that define the building volume control. Point cloud import and BIM conversion. ARCHLine.XP supports point cloud import for renovation and reconstruction projects. Here, scanned points are converted into BIM elements with assigned levels and accurate wall contours defined in subprojects. The first step in creating a BIM model from a point cloud is to align the building levels to the point cloud. A red arrow allows you to change the floor height. A gray plus sign means adding a new level. The graphic settings can be adjusted to the desired values in the levels dialog. Point cloud filtering is a basic task that aims to remove noise or temporarily unnecessary parts of the point cloud. Point cloud filters allow you to display only the relevant parts of the point cloud. This is done by creating filters and setting the desired filter parameters. After filtering, refreshing the 2D view provides clean surfaces for further processing. Wall detection on floor plan. The algorithm searches the point cloud for parallel wall planes with high accuracy and creates the wall with millimeter accuracy. Draw a cursor line along and near the center of the point cloud points representing the two sides of the wall. Then use the expanding rectangle cursor to enclose the two sides of the wall. Press Enter to create the new wall. Repeat it in a loop. Then you can edit the wall connections using the LT connection commands. Window detection. Select the wall that the new window will be attached to with the current style. Specify one endpoint of the window. Specify the other endpoint of the window. Then it is worth overwriting the exact width of the window if you know it. AI rendering, Dubai City day and night scenes. The final chapter introduces AI rendering. This innovative tool generates inspiring visualizations at early design stages, as shown here in stunning day and night views of Dubai's skyline. Upload a 3D view, select the scene type and style, and describe what you want to see. The AI prompt helps the AI understand more precisely what we expect from it. Then click the Render button and the answer will arrive very quickly in the form of an image. You can save the image to your own computer with the Download button or place it directly in the project. It is worth reviewing it, perhaps regenerating it with a more precise AI prompt, and using the inspiration you receive in your design. It is as simple as that. ARCHLine.XP unifies architecture, interior, and engineering design in one BIM platform, supporting projects from concept to construction documentation with advanced, flexible tools.